Hello friends, today we are going to see how the boat's struggling in the ocean's dangerous storm and see some heroes. Oh my god, that guy jumped off the boat to save his life. How's this for your first save as a rescue swimmer? This boat struggling too much hard situation. The waves of the sea turned the boat upside down. It happened too bad. Is he a pirate? Sea waves fight with his boat. Humongous wave covers giant boat. Ocean tornado hits the fishing men's.
On February 28th, a chemical tanker was caught in a vast storm crossing the North Atlantic Ocean between America and Europe.
What would you do if this happened to you? Who needs a shower when you have the sea? Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel.